In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how you can use the counting song, which is currently trending on Instagram with over 85,000 reels, to showcase your products or services in a fun and simple way using this InVideo template.
Yeah. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You can use this trend to show your best-selling products, highlight the features of your offer, and even share helpful tips with your audience. To create this reel, you will need one short video clip for the intro or the first slide and 10 images of the products or services you're trying to highlight for the countdown. Now, the template uses video clips for all slides, but images work just as well because the duration of these slides is very short. You want these images to showcase your product in the best possible light. So if you're a restaurant showcasing its best dishes, you want to click the pictures in a place where you are getting enough natural light. Make sure the space is clutter-free and take shots from multiple angles in the portrait or vertical mode. Alternatively, you can also access the stock media library on InVideo to find videos and images that best match your requirements and use those instead. You will also need a PNG file of your logo, preferably with a transparent background. Once you have everything ready, you can start creating your reel. Since this is for Instagram, we are going with the default portrait mode that is in the 9:16 format. Select that and simply click on Use this template, and that will take you to the editor. Here you will find all the scenes already on the timeline synced to the beat of the music. You can individually edit each scene by moving around and changing the elements. And changes in one scene will not affect another scene. On the left, you have the entire assets library from where you can choose any asset such as stock videos, images, music, and text to add to your video. You also have a menu on the top of the canvas that changes depending on the element you've selected. We need to start by uploading our own media. For that, go to the Uploads button on the left menu panel. Select the Folders option here to create a separate folder for all the media you're going to use in the project. Organizing this way saves a lot of time while creating the reel. Now click on the Upload button and upload all of your images and videos into the folder. Once you have everything in place, it's time to replace the videos and the text in the template with your own. Select the first scene, which is your title slide on the timeline, and then select the video clip by clicking on the canvas. Now simply drag and drop your own video onto the canvas in the same spot. Click Replace in the pop-up window that appears, and in the next window, check this little icon here that says Trim Video to Fit Scene, so that your clip's duration does not exceed the duration of the scene. Now let's say that you don't have your own video clip. In that case, you can access the stock video library on InVideo to find a clip that works for your reel. Here, for the first clip, I want to show a slow motion shot of pasta being served. So we are going to go to the video tab in the left menu, and in the search bar, I'm going to type in the keywords. Let's search for pasta. This is showing good results, and I think I like this one quite a lot. So now to add it to the video, I will select the clip on the canvas and then drag and drop the stock video on there. Let's click on Replace and then click on Trim Video to Fit Scene so that your clip's duration doesn't exceed the duration of the scene. Now let's go ahead and change the text on the intro slide. For this, I am going to double click on the text on the canvas, and this will open up the edit window on the left. Here I'm going to type out my own text. We want to say Bella Italia presents the best items to try on the menu. And this looks good. I also want to change the font here because this doesn't really go with the restaurant aesthetic. So we will access this menu on top of the canvas and choose the font option. This opens up the font library on the left. I think I like this one, so I'm going to select it. Now for the name of the restaurant in the first slide, we need to add our logo. To do that, we'll click on the empty logo box on the canvas, and this will open up the logo menu on the left. Here we will upload our own logo image using the upload option, and then simply click on that image and it will automatically get placed on the canvas. Now let's move on to the next slide. Here we are showcasing the first dish people should try in this restaurant. And so we want to replace the default template video clip with our own food image. So I'm simply going to select the clip on the canvas and then I'll drag and drop my image on there. In the pop-up window that appears, I will click Replace. I will also change the text to reflect the name of the dish I'm presenting. And we are done with the second slide in a matter of minutes. You similarly need to change the media and text for all the remaining slides. If you are using stock images from the InVideo library, all you need to do is go to the Image tab in the left menu, search for the image that you want. We want that of a pizza for the third slide. Once you find the image, simply drag and drop it onto the canvas like before and click Replace. Once all the scenes are done, click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview your video.
Yeah. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
If everything looks good, you can go to the top right corner of the screen and hit Export. We suggest that you choose the 180p resolution as this gives you the best results. You can recreate this trend for different types of brands as well. For instance, if you own a makeup brand, you can show the different lip shades you are launching using this template. This is what this trend will look like for you.
Yeah. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
On the other hand, if you own a customized art store, you can show the different designs you offer and your reel will look something like this.
Yeah. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
When you're ready to upload, make sure you use the link in the description to go to the trending music track on Instagram and use that while uploading your reel. Simply select Use Audio and that will open up the Reels camera from where you can upload your edited reel. Instagram automatically mutes your original audio, and since it is already synced to the beat of the music, you don't need to make any additional adjustments. Simply write your caption, add your hashtags, and hit publish. And that's how you can create your own Instagram reel to the counting song with InVideo and get more traction for your brand or business.